would describe it as what teaching training should be. STEMpath isn't typically for the person who's already teaching computer science. It's for somebody who's interested enough to want to develop the skills in this. The content in the program was so exceptional. Every week, a group of teachers would have to teach a concept, so we had to always put into practice. Having to do that was really profound. So it's not only competence, but confidence. We were continually learning the type of skills you need to develop to be able to do this as a career path. It means that a student doesn't need to major in programming. They could major in fine arts and do computer science and have a very life-giving career. I think that is an educational transformer.